Okay, back today with the newest from J.Crew. Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz and today I have some new items that I came across when I was at J.Crew last. So today I wanted to do my unboxing and first impression review with some new items that I can't wait to try on and share with you. So if you're interested to see what I picked up, how it fits, these won't be styled, they may be wrinkly, you get to see them first with me and let's get into it. First up is this cozy cardigan, and I would say a classic. So it is 100% cotton. I picked this up in a large. I love the weight. I would say it's like a medium weight, so not a lightweight sweater, but not a heavy. And I like the sleek design. So this one doesn't have any cable knit. It doesn't have any buttons. It just has these two patch pockets in the front. It does have a little slit in the side and just real minimalistic. So nothing going on the cuff, a real simple collar. I folded it over like this, but I think you could wear it flat too, if you'd like. And just a real nice overall fit, something you could just throw on. And I love this classic camel color. You can wear it with any shade of brown, of course with black, with cream color like I have here. So just a real nice classic. And look at this cozy navy cardigan. So as you can see, it is a bit big on me. I did opt to size up and pick this up in an extra large because I wanted that oversized kind of cozy look. And then you could wear like a light cashmere sweater underneath or a button-up shirt or just over a tank top too. And I like that kind of relaxed look. So this does have a beautiful cable design. It is 100% cotton. It feels great. This color is gorgeous, just like a rich navy like it should be. And it does have the two patch pockets here. It does have five buttons, and they're in a darker brown color, so they kind of blend in, which I like. I would say a classic and simple cardigan is great to have on hand, and you can just throw it over anything all year round. Okay, and next up, let's do an accessories intermission. First up, I wanted to share these new heels that were sent to me. So this little portion of the video is sponsored, but I selected these shoes and I am very excited to share them with you. I have purchased on my own from this brand before, and it is C.Paravano, but let's see, it came in a nice box. It does have tissue paper and then the little shoe bags as well, and a leopard print slingback. Let's check them out. First impression, these shoes are so beautiful. So I love the print. It's a realistic leopard print. I think it's really classy, really timeless. It's a gorgeous, perfect shade of brown with the dark brown spots. So really beautiful. There is cushion in the shoe bed, which is wonderful. There is arch support in there as well. A nice small kitten heel, which is just lovely, makes it very walkable. And I love this point toe design. It is a classic. This point toe design also offers more room in the toe bed. So if you are the type who, is afraid your toes are gonna get squished by a point toe, I would say give these a try. They definitely have a wider toe bed area, and then the rest is just for decoration. They do have a double strap with no buckle. So you just slide these on and then they're stretched to get your perfect fit. I love the stitch detail and just the overall look and quality of these. Definitely a great item to get that trending animal print look. I just think these look so classy. So I did pick these up in a size 40, which is a US size 9, and they fit great. They're actually even a tad roomy. I have a little bit of a more narrow foot and they're totally staying on. They fit great. But if you have a wider foot, these would definitely fit you, but I'm having no problems as a narrow foot person. They just feel a little extra roomy on me, which I do not mind. Sometimes you want that. And that extra strap on top makes it feel very secure. So really liking these, and I think they look Just beautiful. And these are gonna be great to style all year round. Okay, and back to the J.Crew haul is this belt that I picked up in a leopard print. I wanted to have a real leather one. And I did pick this up in the size medium large, and I just think it's really beautiful. It does have a gold hardware, a beautiful design with a faux fur feel, and just really nice quality. It says 100% genuine leather with synthetic lining. It feels great. I expect it to last a long time, and a beautiful look and little pop of the animal print. And a little off the cuff one, but totally caught my eye and inspired my Halloween outfit that is going to be this year. And that is these little diamond kind of, or faux diamond, little spider web earrings that I thought were so cute, which that inspired me to make a spider costume for this year. They are hypoallergenic, and it is just a push through with a post in the back. And I think those are gonna be really fun and festive with the whole outfit. What do you think? Oh, and I wanted to mention they're not heavy at all. They're real comfortable to wear, which is great. Okay, and next up is this classic cardigan, which is basically like a t-shirt. So it's super lightweight. I did pick this up in a large, and I love this like amber color, this rust color, whatever you want to categorize it. I love this color in fall, this tone, this shade, so I had to pick this up. I would say it's very minimalistic. Basically, this is almost like an elevated long sleeve tee. But it is a cardigan because it has all the buttons that button all the way up, which is really cute, and they're really small, which I love, and they're in the same color. So all classics, all, kind of a higher end touch, I would say. The sleeves are pretty minimalistic, a very slight ribbing on the sleeve end, no anything there, no slits or anything, just a really lovely fit and a great item that you can, just wear like this as a top. So you can just wear it as a top. It does have the ribbing at the bottom, so you could, just fold it up. You could front tuck it. You could wear a little tank top underneath. You could throw it over a dress. You could layer this with a white button up, so many things. So if you don't have a lightweight cardigan, it's nice to have a couple of these on hand for their layering capabilities. So you don't always want a chunky cardigan. It's good to have a couple of those too. They do come in handy because I love layering. I think that's how you make interest in your outfits. So having a lot of items that, you can use in different ways like that is really great. So this feels great. The next item I wanted to share with you are these gorgeous brown corduroy pants. And I wanted to pick these up because I actually don't have a straight leg. So these are a straight leg, not a boot cut, not a flare, which are my favorites. But I wanted to have just a classic pair that I could wear maybe with some heels. And I think even with this top, I think this is a cute ensemble, like great for fall, and then a really cozy coat or sweater or cardigan over would be really cute. I purchased these in a 31 tall, and I like the length. Like this is the length. I like my pants to hit the top of my foot, but they do come in a regular and petite as well. So I love that J.Crew has different sizes for all our different heights, which is really nice. So this does have two front regular pockets. It does have belt loops as well, a button and zip fly. It does have two pockets in the back as well. And I know it's important to do the rise, so let me get that for you. Okay, rough estimate. I would say a 10-inch rise, and they are 98% cotton, 2% elastane. So they kind of are what they are. But I love the feel of them. I love the small ribbing. I love the length. The color is perfect. And yeah, a great addition to my wardrobe. And next up is this lovely 100% cotton denim mini dress. And I don't always opt for a mini dress, but since J.Crew offers it in a tall, I had to try it. And I am 5'8", and most of my height is in my legs. So to me, it feels a bit short, but I did want to have an option to layer, also to wear with boots and to wear with heels. And really, I love it's lightweight. So I have tried on a lot of denim dresses, and what I don't like are the real rigid, thick ones. They just don't feel dress-like to me. So If I'm gonna do something rigid like that, I don't mind it in a skirt. I don't mind it in a, you know, jeans, but for a dress, I definitely reach for my lighter weight denim options that I have. And so this option, I think it's really flattering. So it actually buttons all the way to the top down, and then it has a zipper and a removable belt, which is really cute. I love the sleeve length. Overall, I think the length is okay. It's longer. It is a short dress, but not too short. And just another option, like if you're feeling a certain kind of way and you want to have a short dress, because you don't always want to wear long dresses. I would say like probably 90% of mine are long, but I like to sprinkle in a few short ones every now and then. And I love this one because you can unbutton it wherever you like. The belt is removable, which is nice. So you can kind of add a pop of color. You can add your leopard print belt, which let's do that. Let's go full leopard and see. Okay, what do you think? I think that's cute. It kind of gives me like 70s little mini skirt vibes, but I think it's still like classy, versatile, and classic. You could absolutely accent denim with anything you want. So of course, animal print, of course a pop of red, even with just white or black. And I love that option. So I think this is really cute and it's really lightweight, and you can opt for long if you want a longer length. But again, they have size variation, so you should be able to find the one that fits you perfectly. Oh, and it does have pockets too. Pockets and a little collar. Very, very cute. Okay, and next up is this lovely corduroy long sleeve button up dress. And I love it. I love how it feels. It's 100% cotton. It's a lightweight, so you could definitely layer this, or this would be really cute with a gorgeous like fall or winter coat over it. So all of the buttons do button up and down. It doesn't have any belt loops, and it kind of nips in all on its own. I picked this up in a size 12 and I love how it fits. Look at it's slimming. It's not accentuating rolls, which I love. I like the length. I don't think this was offered in a long, but the length is good. I would say just above knee length because I am taller. This shade is gorgeous. Like green is on trend for this fall and winter, and it is every year. So again, a classic that you can wear all fall and winter, year after year. You can unbutton it as much as you like. It has a nice small little collar, which is really beautiful. And then a classic button sleeve. So you can wear it down, you can roll it up. I like the cut of this. The cut is just really flattering. And if you want something easy, you just want to throw on a dress, maybe a scarf with it, just your coat and some boots, you have your whole outfit. You look stylish, and it's super comfy because it's just one thing and it's an elevating piece all on its own, but still a basic classic. So really pretty, nothing outstanding, but just really lovely made. It does have pockets also. So a real minimalistic dress, but I think a great cooler weather option that can be styled so many ways. All right, some really great finds. What was your favorite? Let me know down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I would love to have you back. And it's free. I find good stuff all the time. I surprise myself. So I like to venture out and look for classic items, but they can be pulled out year after year and even used in multiple seasons. So a lot of these items I do style in lookbooks throughout the year. So make sure you snag something that you see that you like. And don't forget to try out those super cute leopard slingbacks. They're so comfy, and I have a discount code for you down below. I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in today and spending some of your time with me. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.